Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video we'll be talking about how to turn your iPhone screen red. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video I'll teach you guys how you can turn your iPhone screen red. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, what you'll need to do is head over to your settings. So head over to your settings first and scroll down till you find accessibility. It should be right down on general. So tap on accessibility. After you tap on accessibility, you will see the vision section. Now under there, you will need to head over to display and text size. So tap on display and text size. And after you're there, scroll down till you see color filters. Tap on color filters. And now you will get the toggle on button. Just toggle it on. And now you will need to choose color tint. Choose color tint, it's on the bottom. And right here you will see intensity and hue. So turn them both to the max. And there you go, now it's been turned all the way up to red. Now yeah, that is basically how you turn your iPhone screen to red. And that is all for the video too. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.